Hi everyone, welcome back to EasyKids Learning. Today we are diving into one of the most important and easy to learn formulas in Excel, the sum function. Whether you are tracking expenses or totaling sales, this formula will save you tons of time. You will learn how to combine multiple ranges and even use the AutoSum feature to save time. Plus, I will show you some common mistakes to avoid, so you can use sum function like a pro. Let's get started. This formula adds up a range of numbers. Here's how it works. First, select the cell where you want to apply the formula. Now type equal sign sum to start the formula. Double-click the sum command. Next, select the range of cells you want to add. In this case, we are using B2 to F2, so select the range. Finally, close it with the first bracket. Now press enter, and Excel instantly adds up all the numbers in that range. It's quick and super useful, right? You can add multiple ranges using the sum function too. Just add a comma before selecting the next range. The formula will start with an equal sign, sum. First, select the range B2 to B11. Then add a comma. Select the second range, C2 to C11. Close the formula. Now press enter and Excel will add both columns together. You can do this with as many ranges as you need. Here's a quick tip to save even more time. If you don't want to type the formula manually, you can use Excel AutoSum feature. First, click on the cell where you want the total. Go to the formula step and click on the AutoSum button. It looks like the Greek letter sigma. Excel will automatically select the range it thinks you want to sum. If it's correct, just press enter and you are done. Now let's talk about some common mistakes when using the sum function. One issue beginners face is accidentally selecting an empty cell or a text cell. If you do that, Excel might not return the result. Always make sure your range includes numbers only. Another common issue is forgetting to close the parentheses, so remember to always finish your formula with the first bracket. And that's it. Now you know how to use the sum function in Excel like a pro. Whether you are adding up a simple column of numbers or combining multiple ranges, this formula will make your life so much easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Excel tips and tricks. Got any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comment below, and I will be happy to help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.